Let's see how to record video and audio by using your Hollyland microphone on the same device. In this case I'm using Android phone, but it's same for all the models. I just take the microphone and connect the receiver on your phone and just head it to settings app, type OTG and turn on this OTG. Yeah, now the light blinking, so it's connected with the microphone. So in default, if you open the camera app and try to start record the video, it uses the phone microphone to record the audio. Just like that. So the built-in camera app doesn't have that feature to change the audio settings. So you need to open Play Store and click the search and just type open camera and install this app. Open that, and while using the app, okay, and click the settings, scroll down, open video setting, scroll down a bit. Here you can see this option audio source. Click that. In default it will be selected to camera recorder. You just turn this to external mic if present. It's done. You just change the other settings here if you wish. I just come back. I just switch to video while using the app. Start record. Okay, let's see how the audio looks like. I'm just recording using my Hollyland microphone. Let's see. Tap save after you record. Yeah, it's saved. Here you can see this. I'm just recording using my Hollyland microphone. Let's see. You can clearly see the background noise was cancelled. Let's see the difference on gallery. I just open gallery. So here you can see the phone microphone video. It uses the phone microphone to record the audio. This is Hollyland captured audio. Okay, let's see how the audio looks like. I'm just recording using my Hollyland microphone. Yeah, this is how you need to do. And if you want to know more videos about Hollyland microphone, you need to watch this playlist.